Hi guys, welcome to Technology TV Manipur. Today in this short tutorial we are going to show you how this small cutscene can be made in Unity 2019. Go to window and go to the assets tool. Let's we have to use a few product which we want to download it here. So like realistic car controller. Okay, so we need to download this realistic car controller, which is around some $50. Okay, so you can purchase this $50 and you can utilize it, and which I have already added here in my uh, and then you need to download some mountain track kind of thing like this I have already added. uh, this also mountain track. This one is free, yes, you can just import it. That okay, so let me just import it. Yeah, correct. So that's the whole plan. Then in order to record the video, you need to go to package manager and then install this Unity recorder, because I've already done it, so it is up to date. You have to add this, and then for making scene machine, so you have to use the Unity scene machine. So that one also you need to add it here, scene machine. This is a scene machine, and this also already done, so it is up to date, and you need to install it here by adding this one. So after doing that, here you can see that scene machine, the scene machine has came here. Then after adding that the realistic car controller, yeah, the control everything has came here, and then you can see that the recorder is also here. And then you need to go to sequencing timeline, and this timeline will be used for making cinema machine in the sequencing order. So how you can do it is here, I have already added and it is available here. That is here, console timeline, and you want to do animations, that you can do it here, and this is the animator for doing the animation. Fine, now all the things has been set up, and after that, yeah, so just pick in place here. We don't want to take all these things, we want to take only these few things that we will put into our folder, and this can be removed, but don't save it, it will create problem in future. Okay, so this is the road what we are going to use here. So let me rename this as road, and this is the left rail, so make it left rail, and this is right rail, so put it right rail, and the left rail and the right rails will be have a barrier. So for that I need to add what you call as a mesh collider. So should have a mesh collider so that you can be should not go through it. So this also can have a mesh collider. And then we want to run AI system here, so we need to have this system to be static, and put it into RCC layer, and this road to be given a navigational here, and here we want to put it as a driving area for the road, and then we can bake the road. Okay, so let's bake the road. So now this other part where this blue color is coming, so this should not be coming. So for that, let's see that why it is coming. Is there anything terrell is made it as a walkable, which we don't want to make it, so it's will be not walkable. And for inspector, where in the row we are going to put our car. So many cars are there in RCC. So here it is the car. Here you can collect this car and put it here. And this car, okay, it needs to have a waypoint, that we will create an arrive waypoint, no problem. And okay, so this is all about it, and we will go to the tools and create a new waypoint and AI waypoint container to the scene. So we create a waypoint, and here this is the place where we need to create a waypoint. So where is my camera? The camera is located here. So the waypoint which started somewhere from here, no? So let me start this waypoint. Okay, so shift left, it is mentioned here, so we can use the shift. Instead of that, we can do something like this. Then the shift key, and so the waypoint is will be added by shift and the left click across all the road, and then we have to continue to complete the loop. So I will just fast forward and will complete, and then I'll come back to you again. Now we have the waypoint now. So in our car everything is assigned, and we have, where is our car now? Let me see that our car. Okay, so I need to bring my car with the same location where my camera is located. So you can copy this transform location and put it into your car locations, and automatically the car will come into your here. So we don't want to mess up with our camera, so probably you can pull this little bit here, and let's see here. Okay, so I think I need to down a little bit and rearrange it here. Okay, I think so. Yeah, it's almost, that's no problem. And now this is the first main camera is seeing it, so we can pull up a little bit far, so that starting time we can have a very clear shots from the back side, that we can do that. Now we are going to create our scene mission camera, and we have already added everything, so you can save your scene here. And now we are going to create a scene mission camera for this main camera. Fine. Now for that we'll go to scene mission. Yeah, before that you can even create a timeline for that, and for this I will go and create into movie, and here I will write as okay, accident timeline. I'll just create accident timeline and save it. Okay, I have an accident timeline, save it. Now the timeline is also came into our director. So that's all. That's all the assignment has been done now. So we can go to the click the main camera, go to the scene mission, Okay, and just create a virtual camera. Automatically it will create a virtual camera which will be looking at your car, but we need to follow the car, and this is just a following one, so I want it to follow. So go to the chassis, sorry, then you can create a body. This body can be give it to follow, and where I have to look, so you can look when the back from the back side. You can even look at your uh, tail light or bumper somewhere. So this is something that you want to look it at, and this is what you call is a rear bump. So you can look at the rear bump, so I can select this rear bump for looking at my cam. So select the cam. This is the rear bump, so you can make it to look at the rear bump. Here is finally looking at the rear bump. So this camera is quite little far, so what we can do is I can put it little backside and make it a little bit from the top view, so when it follows, it can perfectly follows the car. So this is what my first simulation cam has been set up. Body and everything, and everything happened done perfectly. Okay, now while running this car, so we need to shot from the side, so by seeing that as if the car is also like the car is also uh, you know uh, taking care of the shots from the side, so someone like seeing from the side. So now you can just duplicate this, control D, and name it as a second. Now the second shot will be happen from the here. I don't want to rotate, so let me, no, I will not allow to rotate anything right now. So what you'll do is I will take it here. Okay, so now here, this is when the car will be driving on the side. So now here in this I will not be following body. We'll see that is there anything that we can not and is there anything that we can follow on this one. So what we can do is we can look at something at this field, correct? So this is at this field we can look at the front field. So this is the front field. I can look at the front wheel. So front wheel right, I can look at that. So here front wheel right, I can look at the front wheel right. Okay, so it will be looking at the front wheel right, and at the same time it will follow the this car body. So now I think it's look little looks little odd, but let me see that I can do anything. Any tweak can be done or not. Fine, it's not allowing me to tweak anything. No problem, I can just close it, close look. Okay, so when the car is running, I'm going to take the shot of the front side where this car will be. I am going to take this car from the side. Okay, so this is all about the position for some few times. After that position, so at some point of time I'm going to create an accident scene by itself. So I want to create somewhere here uh, uh, let's create a some kind of obstacle. So for that we'll go to shift here 3D and cube. So this is the cube. You can extend this cube, okay, and bring it in the center of the road. Okay, so let's put it up here. Now if that car hit this cube, no, obviously it will get side, so it will get tumbled. So for that, what we'll do is we need to allow the car to climb little bit, and then it can topple. So for that, you need to make it slight slanting, and you can make this little longer so that the car can be toppled here itself. Okay, so we'll see that whether the car will get toppled or not. We can have one trial and see that. Okay, so let's do this. Fine, no problem. And okay, so in this timeline I need to add this two cam. So for that, you just right click here, cinema scene track, and in the cinema scene track put the main camera, and here you need to add the cam 1. Okay, you got the cam 1 here. So this cam 1 maybe by the this will be little, this is startup, so make it little short, and then this is second shot which you can make it longer, no problem. Then the accident will happen. After the accident, I want on camera to see here. I want to fix one camera here, and just will be uh, looking at looking at the car. So it will be a same as light, nothing doing. So simply the camera will be kept as it is. For that, let me just take one more camera, and this camera will be the third camera. This camera will not be following anything, and this camera will not be looking to anything. Okay, so I want to fix it, do nothing here, do nothing. So this camera will, I want to fix this camera after the here. So let me just take this camera, and I want to fix it. Okay, after the accident I want to see that what exactly happened to the uh, car, and the car will be toppling somewhere here. So we can just make it a little bit higher. So this is how this camera third will be observing. So this camera third, we can make this shorter, and we can bring this camera third here, and this you can look for a longer time, no problem. Okay, so I'll just put it somewhere in 80. Okay, 480. Fine. Now let's run this track and let's see that how it is going to happen. So in the small window you can see that output. Now the first yeah, it's jump and then it's just drew away. Why? Because this hump is not that strong, and it can easily like can do it. So let me just create some more tweak, and okay, and let's see that once again how it's going to happen. Yeah, I think it's going to happen, and this needs to be tweaked little bit again. I think this is going to be like this, right? No. Okay, so let's see again if anything goes wrong. I think it's not getting accident, so let me tweak let me just increase this, and instead of this we can slide it down here, and okay, that's all I can do. Let me see if anything goes wrong. The car should according to me, I think that I feel like this, and this cube has to go little bit. I feel like this boat has to go little far. The reason is that because the car needs to get some momentum of running, then only will be able to exit that one. So let me see that where I am. You can bring it here and you can see that still this also okay, this also okay, and this one you can remove it not to see it visibly, so you can mesh can be removed. Wow, the extent is very nice. So the last cam, I think I need to tweak some more in the last cam. Where is the last cam? The last cam was quite far, so let me just put it into the place should be visible. Yeah, so it's quite far, so that we want to make it okay. Is that okay? Fine, no problem. Now I think I can make this movie out. Okay, how to do this movie out is the same thing that we have to go to the where I have general recorder and use the recorder view. After adding everything, it will be coming here, so we have to create a new recorder and says that let me remove this, and everything will be coming as it is. So you have to add a new recorder, click for movie, make the setting as mp4. That will be a new menu. This should be in film 24 because it will be a little slower, but during the pre-processing or post-processing you can do it to 30 fps, but during the recording time you take it in little faster, and then you can slow it down up and then it will be looking very nice. So here instead of that you check tech means it will be tech 1, tech 2, tech 3. So whenever you keep doing the tech, it will be keep increasing, and then by default it will create a folder. If you want a different folder, you can go and create your own folder, and then it is going to capture from the game view, and what will be the size of the image. If you want to do 4K, you can do 4K, you can do 1400, you can do HD. I'm just taking HD just to reduce the size of the movie, and then you can just come here, and when you click here, what will happen is it will start everything from the beginning, and when you want to stop, you have to stop here. You should not stop here, okay? So otherwise this will be keep running and you will be recording. Fine, so let's click here and let's see that how our recording will take place. During the recording the sound will not come, but it will capture the sound, so you do not worry about it. Okay, let's see that. Come on. Yes, so this is how we got it. Oh my god, it's captured, so you can stop it here. Fine, so now we have done the recording, so let's go and open our recording folder, and there's a folder here. We will open to the VLC that you can see here perfectly in this and then methods, then wow, so fine, then it's triple P. So this is the small thing which we want to do it, and hope you like it. And you please hope you like this video. You please share, subscribe to my channel, and in case if you like my video and put your email address or in the comment box, or if you try to write a mail to me, I can share you this file free of cost for you to for your study, so that you can do it. I can give you free and you can make use of it. So what you are waiting for? Just write a comment, say you like it and like the video, send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys, bye bye, have a nice time.